Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not opening on the application of Discord. We click on settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. And above you can search about Discord and you will click here. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. In the end you can click on storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors so you can delete your account. So in the end you can go to Play Store, you can search about Discord and you can update your app. Then you can update your app if you will find update in this plus sign. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.